Tighten the J self-tapping screw to secure the latch. Tighten the two connecting tubes on the front panel. Install the front handle. The square bar goes through the lock tongue. Insert the square bar through the power cord onto the front handle. Unscrew the rear cover screws. Remove the battery cover. Install AAA battery is not included. Thread the power cord out of the rear handle and secure the rear handle. Fasten the front and rear handles with two pairs of locking screws. Plug the power cord into the socket on the rear handle circuit board. Install the battery cover and lock it. The installation is complete. Fingerprint quick unlock. Passcode unlock. Key unlock.